So test deliverables or QA documents are probably the most important thing that you should share with your team so that they have more clarity what exactly is going on with your test planning, test cases, and your bugs. All right. So in this video, I'm going to share 4 important documents that you should prepare so that everyone knows what you are doing, how you are doing, and when you are doing what you are doing in the test process of STLC. All right, so let's get started. All right. So before we start, guys, I will highly recommend if you are someone who want to switch from manual testing to automation, definitely do check out the series of SDET journey where we are covering Selenium, API testing, Cypress, and important test automation things step by step, and this will help you to switch from manual to automation. All right, to do give it a try. If you are someone who want to learn API testing, definitely for a beginner, 30 days of API testing challenge, definitely go for it. All right, and of course, do check out the playlist of the Testing Academy. All right, so let's talk about the 4 important documents, which is test plan, test case, bug report, and RTM. These are 3 important things. RTM, of course, it sometimes optional and sometimes not optional for a couple of companies, but I will highly recommend so that you can keep it in a very simple manner. All right, so let's jump into the test plan. So first of all, to the point, if you want to download the test plan template, the link is in the description. Make sure you check it out. Okay, so first of all, why test plan? We use test plan. It basically it contains objective resources which will help you to exactly give what you are doing and how you're going to do it. It will give you a clarity. It will give clarity to your team. All right. And I have discussed all the things in this video, which is test plan. It is necessary. It is mandatory to create a test plan or not. Where we have discussed, it will give you a clarity, help you to give you better estimates. And it can basically, you can present with the stakeholders that what you are doing, right? It will give you a clear QA strategy. You can mitigate the risk, which is all important. All right. So I will recommend do check out this video where I have discussed everything about test plan, and do download the test plan document also so that you can give it to your stakeholders whenever it is required. The next document is test cases. Of course, I have definitely have created a video about it, and there's a template also in the description. Test case, it's basically set of conditions, variable under which the test case is determined, and what are the steps you will be doing so that you are checking a particular functionality, right? Or verifying a particular functionality. You are writing them in a step by step, and you are writing actual result versus expected results, what's happening. And if there is any issue with that, you are raising bugs, right? So with bugs, I will recommend to watch to read more about the how to report a proper bug on Jira. I think this is one of the important template. So you have a title. So you have a good title here, and you can write it more meta information, who is reporting it, source URL, console errors, and all. You can give the details about your browser session. You can add attachment. You can give steps also. So I think steps are missing, but you are. And here are the details of the assignee providing labels and reporters. So right, so that is important. Okay, awesome. So that was the 3 document. Of course, the first one is the most important one, I think personally, which is RTM. In this video, I have given you extensive example, everything what exactly is RTM. It will basically help you to give a clear idea about requirements when they are changing it, when there are certain requirements which got changed, and mapping your requirement with your test cases. This is the important thing. And you can download the template here, link in the description. You can check it out. And there are many types of requirement matrices like forward, backward, and all. How you can do that, explain in the video. All right, so I hope you got the point, right? We require these 3 important documents that need to be delivered, and I will highly recommend all of you to start following this, where you are basically giving these 4 documents to your stakeholders and give them a proper bug report in the end. Okay, so what's next? Of course, you can go to playlist section of the Testing Academy, and okay, directly go to the playlist section of Academy and do check out the other tutorials. So right there, so this is a short video about it, about the important test variables that are, I think, most important, like 4 documents that you should create all right, and which will basically help you to grow and basically give the clarity to your team that what exactly you are doing. All right, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you have learned something new. Do give it a thumbs up right now and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. This is your host Pramod. Bye.